What's up, everybody? Today I'm replacing outer tire rod end on a 2006 GMC Envoy. I showed you in a previous video how to check your outer tire rod ends and ball joints. So let's take a look. Alright, tire rod end. Alright, there's a cardi key in the castle nut here. You gotta remove the cardi key, pull it out, and then take the castle nut off. And there's also a nut back here. You hold this one, loosen this one up, and then you twist it out. But the way mine looks, I need some WD-40. Well, I couldn't remove the cardi key because it broke, because it's so rusty. So I just ended up breaking it, twisting up to where it broke, and now it's free. See? Now I'm gonna try to work on. You gotta hold the inside one and loosen the outside one. Just like that. See ya. Alright, now I'm finished taking off the rest of this nut here. Took the hammer, hit it down, and now it's all loose. Now I'm gonna take the nut through it. Alright. Now for the inside one. Now when you take this one off, you want to count how many turns you turn it off. That way when you put the new one on, you count the same many turns back on. That way you somewhat get it close to a line, but you still have to get an alignment. Well, let's go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
If you look at the old one, look how loose that is. See, that's where all my play was coming from the steering wheel. Look at that, that's loose as hell. You take the new one, nice and stiff. See, you can't really move it. That's what you want. Alright, make sure you put the nut back on, that way you can tighten it. So run that down in there. Alright, you want to hit it as you're tightening it. Oh, not too bad though. That way you get a good, nice and tight. Put the card key in. Bend it around. That's it. Line it up. Make sure you Alright, that's it. Make sure you grease it. And then you're good to go. That's how you change out a tie rod in. Thanks for watching.